Hello everyone, I'm Sia from Locksmiths. Today I will show you how to use K18 Pro to program 2018 Big Regal Smart Key. Now we need to prepare a K18 Pro, OBD communication cable, and the original car key and a new smart key produced by our Locksmiths.
First, plug in OBD communication cable. The first step is to choose to generate smart key. Buick, Regal. Select the menu for the new keys for 2017 to 2023. Put our key in the card slot. Click Generate. OK. Generated successfully. Return to main menu. The second step is to select IMMO and remote. Buick, China, Regal. Select after 2017. Smart key. First we read the PIN code. PIN code reads successfully. OK. Then we choose to add smart key. Press the start button. OK. Put the key to be programmed into the key slot. Take other keys out of the car. The key slot location is as follows. After placement is complete, click OK. The PIN code is automatically entered. OK. OK. Configuring system. You need to wait about 10 minutes. Press the start button. OK. Program successful. No need to program the next one. Click Cancel. Turn off the ignition. Make sure the ignition is off. After clicking the OK button, press and hold the start button for 12 seconds. Release the start button, then click OK. Long press the start button. Turn on the ignition. Turn off the ignition. Make sure the ignition is off. Hit the brakes. Press the start button to start the engine. Turn off the ignition. Make sure the ignition is off. Remove the key. Press the lock and unlock button. OK. There are no other keys that need to program. Click Cancel. Program complete. OK. Let's see if the key starts the vehicle normally. Original car key. Hit the brakes. Press the start button. The original car key started successfully. New key. Hit the brakes. Press the start button. The new key started successfully. Let's try again to see if the remote control is normal. Original car key. Unlock. Lock the car. New key. Unlock. Lock the car. Remote control is normal.
Now we have programmed smart key for 2018 Big Regal. Stay tuned as we continue to innovate more supply ahead.